Brown. Joshua is full of ideas. If you know anything about Joshua, he has a million ideas going through his mind and a passion for art. He is such a pleasant young man, and I'd love to allow Joshua to tell you more about his work. And so I have now introduced Joshua Collie.
Afternoon, everybody. Okay, so art makes me feel happy and free to express myself. At first, I don't know what I will create, but I start with ideas in my head, and I feel like it made me feel more of a better artist and made me learn more different types of techniques, such as oil pastels, about the camp. And the thing that really stood out to me the most in the Celestine prophecy was when Miss Campbell and Mr. Shay, asks us our purpose and who we were born to point of view. And my point of view in terms of explaining who we were born to is that we can choose and everyone has a purpose, and that's really about it. My first piece is called Who Am I? It is a mask made out of paper mache and acrylic on canvas board, and it's describing me blending in with nature, the ocean, and I felt that I am one with nature because I like everything about it. And when I am in the water, it makes me feel like I'm floating and makes me feel free. But I place my head in the clouds because I have a wild imagination. And my second and last portrait is a portrait of my mom. It's pretty simple, and I did it because I wanted to thank her and show her how much I care for her and appreciate her for always believing in me, and to show her that she means everything to me. And that's it. That's about it.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Joshua.